Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Fardaus Sahel. In this video with Google Sheets, I'm going to show you how to add rows and columns. To add a rows, I'm going to select entire row and click on insert menu. So here we have the rows and columns. To add a new row, we can click on insert one row above, or you can click on insert one row below. Let's click on one row below to insert it. You can click on insert one row above as well to add one row above. And if I want to add a column, then I need to click here and click on insert. Go to the insert menu with columns, click on insert column to the left, or you want to insert one column to the right. Let's click on insert one column to the left. I'm going to select this column, click on insert menu, go to columns and click on insert one column to the left. Let's just click back to insert one column to the right. We just clicked on the left. Let's click on insert one column to the right. So this is how we can insert columns and rows here with Google Sheets. You can find it in this menu, which is called insert menu. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned, and if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.